Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson. I want to show you how to create teams or join a teams in Microsoft Teams. So let's say you are actually new to Teams. You are trying to actually find your way through Teams. So let me show you the most easiest way to actually create a team. If, for example, you are in chat, this is actually a new account, and here you can see we have the option called Teams. So if I click on Teams, so here, if I click on Teams, you can see we have the option to join or create a team. So first of all, you can actually create a team from scratch, or you can actually join a team. By joining a team, you'll be provided with a code from your administrator or from the user that created that team to actually join that team. So what you need to do is actually to create a team is very simple and straightforward. Just click Create Team. And here we have different options. For example, you can actually create teams from scratch, or you can actually create team from a group of or team, which for example, you've already created teams and a group in the past. You can actually use that group to create a team or a group that you are a member of. If, for example, if I click on from a group or team, let's just wait and see the options we have to actually use that group or team to create the new teams. So at this moment, you can see that it says I don't belong to any team here. So if I actually try to click here, you can see it says I don't actually belong. You don't belong to any team yet. Or if I go to the second options, which says, let me just click on that. It says you don't own any Microsoft 365 groups with fewer than 5,000 people. So let me go back. And here you can see the different options we have to actually create team. So what I can actually do is I can actually create team from scratch, or I can use one of these options to actually create team. For example, you can say organize and help desk or manage a project. So let me just try to create teams from scratch. I just assume that you are actually trying to create a new teams from scratch. And here you can see we have a private team. So with a private team, people need permission to join that team. So which means that only people you actually add to that team will become a member of that team. And also they can actually request request your permission to be able to join that team. And the public team means that anyone at all in your organization can join that team. They don't actually need your permission to join the team. So by creating an org-wide, everyone in your organization automatically join the teams. They don't have a choice. When they go to their teams, they will see that they're a member of the org-wide team. So be very, very careful before you create the org-wide teams, and make sure that you don't just create an org-wide teams for no reason, or trying to make a mistake. Instead of creating a public team, you created an org-wide team. So here I'm going to actually just go for the private. Let me go for the private need, which means that they will actually need the permission to join the team. So I'm going to give my team a name. I'm going to call this, let me just call this IT help desk. And then we can just click create. Here we can actually add a description of what the team is all about. So let's just click create to actually create our team. And you can see it says creating the team. So you can see it says nice work. Here we go. You can see that our team is actually being added. So now we can actually add members to this IT help desk teams we just also created. So let me just try to add just one or two users to the team. For example, I can add a user. If I try to add, for example, Nora to that team, it's going to actually check for the users in my organization and see if there is anybody like Nora. For example, we have Nora Jones and Nora Johnson. So let me just add Nora Jones to the members of this IT group, and I assume that Nora is a member of the IT group. Then I can just click on add. So by clicking add, then we can actually click. Here you can see that Nora is actually a member of this team, but we can actually allow Nora to become also the owner of the team. You can see we can choose between member and owner. So let me just click close to actually close this team. Here we go. You can see that our team has just been created. You can actually add more people to the team, create more channels, and even open the frequently asked question. That is how you actually create teams in your Microsoft Teams in the year 2022. So if you are new to Microsoft Teams, I think this video will be of great help to you. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. Bye.